Hello everyone, welcome to ACE Training Academy's YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll be talking about the new notification which has been released by Indian Coast Guard. If you want to join Indian Coast Guard Ministry of Defence, then there is a position for Assistant Commandment General Duty or technical positions for engineering, electrical, electronic students for the 2026 batch. Now the application will be accepted only online. From 5th of December, the application will be starting, and for up until 24th of December, you are eligible to apply. This is a gazetted officer position, and it's obviously a grade A position, therefore it's a gazetted officer position. Now, for general duty, the degree, it should be recognized, it should be in maths or physics. But if I talk about technical positions, mechanical, electrical, electronics positions, you can see the age limit is 21 to 25 years. Male students can apply. Engineering degree from any recognized university in naval architecture, mechanical, marine, automotive, or mechatronics, industrial or production, metallurgy and design, aeronautical, aerospace can apply for this particular position. And any other equivalent degree is also applicable. If you have done your degree from open also, you will be applicable over here. You can see the explanation of the eligibility criteria. The upper age limit, what you are seeing over here, the age limit, it is for general category, that is 21 to 25 years. 25 years, it is relaxable for 5 years for SC/ST category and 3 years for OBC category. Candidates have integrated post graduation degree are also eligible for this position. After that, Indian Coast Guard has certain discretion to fix qualifying marks in any of the subjects which are there above. The candidates, which will be number of candidates also, which will be shortlisted in stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3, it will be up to their discretion only, right? After that, date of birth and everything, date of birth and gender will not be allowed to be changed at any subsequent stage. So whatever application form you are filling, please keep it as precise as possible, right? 100% precise it should be actually. So you can see the number of vacancies also for engineering and electrical departments. It is 30 vacancies. For SC, it is 4, ST 2, OBC 9, and unreserved category 15 vacancies, right? In general, total 140 vacancies have been released. You can also see the additional eligibility criteria in respect to it. Candidates withdrawn or disciplinary grounds from any other services training academy are not eligible, right? If you are from any other government position as well, or if you have been arrested, convicted, prosecuted, or have any criminal charges, you are not applicable over here. You are required to also prove everything regarding whatever the degree of passing examinations and everything are there up until 30 November 2025. Further explanation of the eligibility of candidates who are in final year or semester exams. Your yearly course is given, and semester course wise, subject wise, it is mentioned over here. What will be the selection process? Stage 1, you can see the candidates for all the branches shall appear in the computer based online screening test known as CG-SAT. In this, the test will be conducted on designated centers located all over India. The test comprise of 100 multiple choice questions. There will be 100 multiple choice questions. Each question will carry 4 marks, and for each correct answer, you'll be getting 4 marks and 1 for negative answer. You can see the various sections in this exam. Section A will be English, 25 questions. Reasoning and abilities, section B, 25 questions. And general science and mathematical aptitude, 25 questions, and general knowledge, 25 questions. The duration of the exam will be 2 hours. After that, normalization formula is also given. After this, you'll be going towards the preliminary selection board examination stage 2. Based on the performance in the stage 1, candidates will be shortlisting for appearing in the stage 2, which will be conducted for a day at Noida, Mumbai or Goa, or Chennai, Kolkata, Shillong, Gandhinagar centers. Here, keep in mind document verification, candidates verification, everything has been mentioned. And final stage, whosoever will clear stage 2 will go towards stage 3. And here they will be conducting your psychology test, group task and interview will be there. So keep in mind this is a very complicated process of selection. After that, medical examination will also be there as a stage 4, and stage 5 will be induction. So finally, there will be result declaration. So you please keep a note of this. The last date of induction at INA will tentatively be 27 December. So entirely your next year will be dedicated to this examination for completing of 5 stages of examination, right? So because they are recruiting for 2026, that's why they are taking so much amount of time. The stage 1 marks of candidates not shortlisted for stage 2 will be declared prior commencement of the stage 2, right? And stage 2 students not shortlisted will be declared before stage 3 is commenced, and consecutively for other stages as well. If you want to apply for this, you can apply online up until 24th of December. The application will start on 5th of December. Keep an eye on this, and to ensure the validity of email and mobile number, it is up to 31st of December 2025. So multi-options entry scheme are there. You can see the eligibility criteria for each and every position. GD and tech position, you can see the eligibility criteria. And for general duty, the eligibility criteria is mentioned. So we have seen these are mentioned above also. Documents to be uploaded in the application are also mentioned. Compulsory documents, passport size, recent color photograph, live imaging will be there. Candidates should scan their signature, left, right thumb impressions, mark sheets, Aadhaar card or any other identity proof, service certificate, NOC, vigilance certificate, domicile certificate, etc. So you can see that they have mentioned a very detailed advertisement over here. If you want to look into the details also, further details, you can look in the description box. You can see the important instruction of the uploading documents as well. All the images should be in JPEG or JPG format only, and photograph should be between the range which has been mentioned. Everything regarding the OBC and various caste certifications are also mentioned. Yes, this is important. Examination fee will be 300 rupees for the candidates, except for SC and ST candidates, it will be free of cost. Right, and any unsuccessful payment is there. Please keep in mind your candidature can be get cancelled, right? And refund of multiple payments option also is mentioned. Travel expenses, stage 1, SC/ST candidates who are not employed by any central government or state government will be reimbursed ordinary second class fare of train or government bus, streamer charges. They will be given, SC/ST students will be given a travel expense also for this examination. Similarly for stage 2 as well, AC 3 and chair car bus or any other mode of transportation which is at a cheaper price will be reimbursed by this stage 2 also, right? And also examination city, all candidates are to give 5 preferences for examination city. The application for stage 1, the candidates are to fill the first choice within the 30 kilometers of the present or communication residence, right? So it should be within the 30 kilometers aspect. Now they have also mentioned the date of the tentative schedule of the stages. The first stage will be on 25th of February. Second stage will be on 25th of in March. They have not mentioned the date. Stage 3 will be in either April to October 2025. Stage 4 will be from May to November, and December will be your last stage, right? Everything also regarding each and everything will also be published on the official website. So keep this in mind, and the admit cards will be also uploaded on the site as well, right? So if you want to look into it, you can look into it. It's a very good opportunity out there for Indian Coast Guard position, and one of the best position and one of the most renowned positions out there. So please keep an eye on this. Thank you for watching.